Okay, so to use CK12, once you log in, you come to your home page here, you're on your dashboard. And from dashboard, you come here to your member in your groups. Just click on groups, and you'll find Applied Math 18 right here. So you can just click on Applied Math 18. And that'll bring up your menu bar here with your home assignments, reports, question answers, all kinds of little different things here about who's in the class. So let's go to assignments to begin with. And that's going to show us our list of assignments. We can change our order of what is due and when. So example, most recent due date is selected here in the drop-down menu. And we're by most recent due date, what's coming up first, 2/9, 2/16, 3/2. Notice that the first two are 2 weeks apart. Then after that, for the rest of the year, we have 1 week apart. So to get to your assignments, we just click on the first one, which is probability. And it'll bring up this window. Notice it says instructions. We have 4 concepts, and those 4 concepts are over here on the right-hand side. This is where we're going to go to do our work. So we're going to start off with our first one, definition of probability. That'll open up a window, and we have a couple things here. We have our readings. So there's some things you can read. They're listed here. They'll give you the background information that you need. There are PLIXs, which are just some other definitions, some interactive tools you can do to try. There are some videos that you can watch to help you figure out what they're talking about in these cases as well. So they're good resources if you didn't understand the reading part. The assessments, this is where we're going to go to practice. And this is where you hit practice. This is what's going to bring up your problems. So in this case, we have to do 10 correct answers to complete your practice goal. You hit preview, and your practice problems are going to come up, and you answer the question. If you get it right or wrong, it tells you right away. Okay, and they use a scratch pad, and we can go on and go back until we're getting our questions correct. And you can try to do this as many times as you need to until you're completed, until you have as many right as you want to have. The last thing here over here at the end is your real world, and that gives us some real world applications of where probability be used. It's not something you're required to do. I'm just requiring you to do the practice, but you'll want to watch the reading, see the readings, and read those through. Look at a couple of videos at least if you're having troubles, and then you can come see me. But don't be afraid to look at some of these other resources as well. And so we complete those for definition of probability, measurement of probability, empirical probability or experimental probability, and application. So that's going to happen for all of our different units that we have assigned to us. So you come into your problems, see what do you have to do for this week, and then you just click on that link and go to those different modules that are included there. Okay, your whole rest of your year is laid out, so you can do this at your own pace. I'll just be checking on those due dates to see how much you have done, and obviously you can go back and complete more stuff if you missed a due date, but try and keep up and try and work a little bit ahead because that's going to help you out in the long run. If you have any questions, let me know.